friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. In this video we are going to exercise our chapter number 11 and exercise number 8, how to creating section view labels. So far in this chapter we have seen how to create many different types of annotation. There are labels sets that are applied to sections, label applied to corridor section through chord set style, labels applied to section views and bands, and even labels attached to objects that have been projected to section views. One limitation of these labels is that they are all connected to something and therefore get their information and location from another object. What if you need to create a basic all-purpose label that can be used to convey offset and elevation on a section view? To do this, we will create a section view label. Section view labels are attached to the section view itself. They can be placed anywhere in the section view and used to label just about anything on section view. Before starting this exercise number 8, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe Civil 3D and press the bell icon to get latest notification about videos. You can also access through my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Designer. Here you will get many more material related to Civil 3D and land surveying. In this exercise, we will create a section view label that calls out the location of the curb flow line in a section view. Step number 1. Open the drawing named Creating Section View Label. Here we have this drawing creating section view labels. You can get this drawing from the description link and you can practice on it. When you will open this drawing, it will zoom to 0 plus 0, 10 section view. Okay, step number 2. On the Annotate tab of the ribbon, click Add Labels in the Add Label dialog box. You need to do something else. Go to Annotate, Add Labels, and Add Label dialog box will be open. Now, for feature, select Section View. Here you can see many features. We need to select Section View because we are going to apply label to our section view. For label type, select offset elevation. Label type should be offset elevation because we are going to show a label for offset elevation on section view. For offset elevation label styles, verify that offset over elevation is selected. Yes, it is offset over elevation is selected. If it is something else, you can do it. For marker style, verify that it is selected basic. There are many marker style, but now I need to select basic. Then click Add. It will ask you select a section view. Let's see our step number 3. Click one of the grid line of the section view. Right click while holding down the shift key and then select endpoint. Click the flow line of the curb, left curb. Here on this cross section view, press shift and then right click to select endpoint. Okay. First of all, you need to select this section view. Anywhere click on grid. Okay, now it will ask pick a point, then shift right click and select endpoint. Now you can select this endpoint of your curve. Step number 4, press escape to clear the current command. You can see here we already create a label. If you want to show any other label, then you can also select here. It will show another label to you because we was select here offset elevation label style, so we get information about this line, that how much it is on offset from the center line and what is the elevation of this. Press escape to clear this command. Now click the new created label and drag its square grip up and to the left to improve its readability. Yes, it's simple. We can select any label in AutoCAD Civil 3D and we can move them on anywhere which will readability will be visible. Step number 5, click the label and then click edit label text on ribbon. Okay, label, click label and remove this command. Now edit label text. It will open you a new dialog box for text component editor. Step number 6, in the window on the right, click just to the left of the word offset to place your cursor in the position before it. Type curve flow line and press enter here. If you want to put any text behind your label, you can put here. For example, I want to write flow line, curve flow line. We need to write curve flow line, then enter. Step number 7, click OK to close the text component editor dialog box. The label should now appear. You can see now we have a label like this, but when I will click on OK, it will change. Fine. Curve flow line with offset and elevation, something like this. We already get it. Step number 8, save and close your drawing. So it was our final exercise for chapter number 11, and we will start chapter number 12 very soon. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment box. Thank you.